Are you looking for the best hot hair rollers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hot hair rollers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the T3 Voluminous Hot Rollers. Here's a high-ticket item that isn't for everyone, but if you're after amazing-looking, huge body waves and beach curls, the T3 may be worth the money to you. The huge, spring-loaded rollers in this set aren't the ones you'll find in most hot roller kits, and not just because of their size, 4 large 1.5-inch rollers and 4 1.75-inch jumbo rollers. Each of these ionic tourmaline rollers self-regulates its wattage with the use of ceramic PTC heaters and aluminum heat sink cores, in order to maintain consistent surface temperatures for even styling. There is also velvet flocking on the surface of each roller in order to grip the hair firmly. The rollers reach 250 degrees in just 3 minutes, and leave styled hair healthy and shiny. The rollers come with a charging base, detachable cord and tote bag, and works on dual voltages if you're planning to visit beaches or nightclubs around the world. Moving on at number 4. We have the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Professional Jumbo Roller Hairsetter. The professional jumbo roller set won't work for people with short hair looking to create delicate curls, but if you have longer hair and want big, impressive waves and curls, this is your go-to choice. This BaBylissPRO set has 12 flocked rollers with nano titanium ceramic cores, which heat up within 10 minutes and do a great job of maintaining even, far infrared heat that curls and seals hair from within once they're in place. The velvety material on the lightweight, 1.5-inch rollers creates a great grip on the hair, and you have your choice of butterfly or color-coded metal clips to attach them firmly. In half an hour or so, the longer you leave them in, the more effective they are. Even extra long and luxurious hair will have terrific curls or waves without frizz or damaged ends. At number 3, we have the Conair Compact Multi-Size Hot Rollers. Ready for big style in a small case? The Conair Compact Hairsetter, 20 multi-sized rollers create perfect curls, anytime, any place. These 20 multi-sized rollers are tangle-free rollers and come with 6 large 1-inch, 6 medium 3/4 inch, and 8 small rollers 1/2 inch. The 3 sizes allow for endless styling options for beautiful curls. These rollers clips are color-coded and can easily store inside the setter. Ready signal lights up red when Hairsetter is on and heating rollers. Enjoy always smooth and ultra-shiny bouncy curls. Do not use outdoors or operate where aerosol spray products are being used or where oxygen is being administered. At number 2. We have the Remington Compact Ceramic Worldwide Voltage Hairsetter. Want some simple hot hair rollers at an affordable price? The Remington Compact Ceramic Worldwide Voltage Hairsetter is the perfect choice. They do what they're meant to do without any bells and whistles, and costing under $15, you can't really go wrong. The set contains 10 hot rollers, 5 1-inch and 5 1.35-inch, and a heating unit that doubles as a case. The smaller number of rollers makes the set more compact, which is a bonus to those who want to save space, but it's not ideal for anyone who needs more than 10 rollers to achieve their desired hairstyle. The rollers heat up in 90 seconds, so you won't have to wait long to get started with your styling. With a combination of ceramic rollers and ionic technology, you'll get less frizz and more shine. Each roller fixes in place with a J-clip, which holds the roller effectively, but produces less creasing than most other types of clips, giving your curls a more natural look. And finally at number 1. We have the Caruso Professional Steam Hairsetter. If you often experiment with different styles and need a variety of roller sizes, the Caruso Professional Steam Hairsetter is an excellent option. It contains 14 rollers in total. Sizes include 2 petite, 3 small, 4 medium, 3 large, and 2 jumbo, as well as comb clips and styling guide. This set uses steam, rather than just heat, to warm the rollers, which gives excellent results. In fact, uses 3 times more steam than other steam hair setters, which means the rollers heat faster and your curls will set more quickly. While the base only holds 1 roller at a time, each one only takes 15 seconds to heat up, so the next roller will be ready to go by the time you've fixed the previous one in place. The Caruso Professional Steam Hair Setter uses ionized steam to give exceptionally smooth, shiny results. It's also safe to use on synthetic wigs and hair extensions. Depending on your hair type, it can take as little as 5 minutes with the rollers in for your curls to set, and these curls should last all day, although some users report their curls falling out after just a few hours. With a few different settings to choose from, it's not as easy to use as our top pick, but it's still pretty intuitive, and shouldn't cause a problem for most users. Although it costs around $30, we consider it great value, considering the quality of the curls and the fact you get 14 rollers of different sizes included. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.